Sa araw na ito, ay nais ko po sa inyong i-share ang top 100 best tourist spots in China. Kung may nais po kayong ipalabas sa tahanang ito, pwede po tayong mag-comment down below. At kung may nais naman po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin din po mag-comment down below. At i-shoutout po natin po sa pang susunod po mga palabas. So heto na at sisimulan na po natin ang mga tourist spots ng China. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Ika 100 is Silk Road. It is located in Xi'an, China. It was built in 130 BC. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is an Asian trade route between China and Rome. Number 99 is Ming Mausoleums. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in 1409. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is 13 mausoleums built by the emperors of Ming Dynasty. Number 98 is Wanggoshu Falls. It is located in Guizhou, China. It is the largest and highest waterfall in Asia. Number 97 is Shapotu. It is located in Ningxia, China. It is best known for desert, yellow river, mountain, oasis, and camels. Number 96 is Kashgar Old City. It is located in Xinjiang, China. It was built in 100 AD. It is a historical city served as Arab village, trading center, and Silk Road. Number 95 is Qinghai Lake. It is located in Qinghai, China. It is the largest lake, largest inland lake, and largest saltwater lake in China. Number 94 is Qinghai Tibet Railway. It is located in Xining, China. It was built in 2006. It is the highest railroad in the world. Number 93 is Idka Mosque. It is located in Kashgar, China. It was built in year 1442. It is the largest mosque in Xinjiang. Number 92 is Afak Koja Mausoleum. It is located in Kashgar, China. It was built in year 1640. It is a famous mausoleum in the historical city of Kashgar. Number 91 is Bamboo Rafting at Mount Wuyi. It is located in Fujian, China. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is famous for beautiful water and mountain scenery. Number 90 is Shangjiajie National Forest Park. It is located in Hunan, China. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is the oldest and best-known national park in China. Number 89 is Karakoram Highway. It is located in Kashgar, China. It was built in year 1966. It is the highest paved international road in the world. It is connected in Pakistan. Number 88 is Three Natural Bridges. It is located in Chongqing, China. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is known for a series of natural limestone bridges. Number 87 is Heavenly Lake. It is located in Changbaishan, China. It is the largest, deepest, and highest alpine lake in China and the resource of many rivers. Number 86 is Crescent Lake. It is located in Gobi Desert, China. It is a 2,000 years old oasis. It is very famous with a camel and 4x4 rides. Number 85 is White Horse Temple. It is located in Luoyang, China. It was built in year 68 AD. It is the first Buddhist temple in China. Number 84 is Mount Taishan. It is located in Shandong, China. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is China's most sacred mountain with total of 6,000 steps. Number 83 is Xinjiang Museum. It is located in Urumqi, China. It was built in year 1953. It is a large museum famous for the cultural relics of the region. Number 82 is Giant Wild Goose Pagoda. It is located in Xi'an, China. It was built in year 652 AD. It is a very famous Asian Buddhist pagoda in China. Number 81 is Pagoda Forest. It is located in Henan, China. It was built in year 791 AD. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a mausoleum of the eminent monks. Number 80 is Zhaoling Mausoleum Bailing Park. It is located in Shenyang, China. It was built in year 1651. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is the world's largest mausoleum located within the park. Number 79 is Horseback Riding. It is located in Inner Mongolia, China. It was built in year 1947. It is also best known for the pasture area, grassland, and agriculture. Number 78 is Classical Gardens of Suzhou. It is located in Suzhou, China. It was built in year 600 BC. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it represents the development of Chinese garden design. Number 77 is Shanghai Science and Technology Museum. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 2001. It is one of the best museums in the city of Shanghai. Number 76 is Elephant Trunk Hill. It is located in Guilin, China. It is a hill landmark and tourist attraction in Guilin. Number 75 is Kaiping Fortress Towers. It is located in Guangdong, China. It was built in year 1936. The UNESCO World Heritage Site is 1,845 multi-story watchtowers in villages. Number 74 is Jiuzhaigou National Park. It is located in Sichuan, China. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is known for colorful lakes and habitat of giant pandas. Number 73 is Three Pagodas. It is located in Dali, China. It was built in year 840 AD. It is China's ancient Buddhist architectures and the cultural symbol of Dali. Number 72 is Eye of Heaven. It is located in Qiananbuyi, Zumiazu, Zizhu, China. It is the world's largest radio telescope. Number 71 is Hong Kong Village. It is located in Huangshan, China. It was built in year 1855, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is also known as Chinese Village in picture. Number 70 is Yungang Grottos. It is located in Datong, China. It was built in year 524 AD. The UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is an ancient Chinese Buddhist temple grottos. Number 69 is the Yellow Mountains. It is located in Anhui, China. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is also known as Mount Huangshan, famous for grotesque rocks. Number 68 is Xi'an City Walls. It is located in Xi'an, China. It was built in year 1370, also known as Fortification of Xi'an. It is the most complete Asian city wall in China. Number 67 is Longsheng Rice Terraces. It is located in Guilin, China. It was built in year 1350, also known as Dragon's Backbone. It is the most amazing terrace in China. Number 66 is Shanghai Museum. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 1952. It is a museum of ancient Chinese art and historical relics. Number 65 is Jade Buddha Temple. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 1928, also called Jade Buddha Palace. It houses one of the world's largest Buddha statues. Number 64 is Mogao Caves. It is located in Gansu, China. It was built in 366 AD. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it's the world's largest house of Buddhists with 1,000 cave temples. Number 63 is Shanghai Tower. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 2008. It is the tallest building in China and world's second tallest building. Number 62 is Clock Tower. It is located in Hong Kong, China. It was built in year 1950. It is a major tourist attraction and part of the Kowloon Canton Railway Station. Number 61 is Olympia 66. It is located in Dalian, China. It was built in year 2015. It is a shopping mall and regarded as the landmark in the city of Dalian. Number 60 is Leshan Giant Buddha. It is located in Sichuan, China. It was built in year 880. The UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is the largest and tallest Buddha statue in the world. Number 59 is Nanshan Temple. It is located in Sanya, China. It was built in year 1988. It is the biggest Buddhist temple built to commemorate 2,000 years of Buddhism in China. Number 58 is Wanglong National Park. It is located in Wanglong, China. The UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is called World Wonder and Fairyland on Earth. Number 57 is People's Square. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 1952. It served as racing place, public marketplace, and cultural center of the city. Number 56 is Beijing Zoo. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 1906. It is best known for its collection of rare animals endemic in China, mostly giant pandas. Number 55 is Shilin Stone Forest. It is located in Kunming, China, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a set of limestone formations over 270 million years old. Number 54 is Longmen Grottos. It is located in Luoyang, China. It was built in year 493 AD, also known as Dragon's Gate Grottos. It is a famous Buddhist cave complex. Number 53 is Fenchuang Ancient Town. It is located in Hunan, China. It was built in 1704, UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is regarded as the most beautiful town in China. Number 51 is Red Beach. It is located in Panjin, China. It is the biggest wetland and reed marsh in the world. Number 50 is Mausoleum of Light. It is located in Shenyang, China. It was built in year 1651. It is the old city of Shenyang, an important center for trade and culture. Number 49 is Oriental Pearl Tower. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 1994. It is one of the tallest structure in China. Number 48 is Shaolin Temple. It is located in Zhengzhou, China. It was built in year 497 AD. It is the most famous temple in China and the present Shaolin school of Buddhism. Number 47 is Shanghai Disneyland Park. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in 2016. It has a thrill rides, family attractions, and spectacular shows. Number 46 is Yuyuan Gardens. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 1559. It has decorative halls, pavilions, pools, bridges, pagodas, archways, and rock gardens. Number 45 is Honghehani Rice Terraces. It is located in Yunnan, China. It was built in 700 AD, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a system of honey rice growing terraces. Number 44 is Reed Flute Cave. It is located in Guangxi, China. Also known as Palace of Natural Arts, it is a limestone cave with multicolored lighting. Number 43 is Mount Everest. It is located in Tibet, China. It is the highest mountain in the world. Number 42 is Beijing Ancient Observatory. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 1442. It is one of the oldest astronomical observation sites in the world. Number 41 is the Castle Hotel. It is located in Dalian, China. It was built in year 2002. It is an impressive structure of medieval architecture situated atop the mountain. Number 40 is Harbin Ice and Snow Festival. It is located in Harbin, China. It started in year 1963. It is the longest and largest ice and snow sculpture festival in the world. Number 39 is Zhujiang Water Town. It is located in Jiangsu, China. It was built in year 1449. Known as Venice of the East, it is a beautiful and historical town famous for its canals. Number 38 is Asian Building Complex in Wudang Mountains. It is located in Xi'an, China. It was built in year 700 AD. It is a famous Taoist center in China. Number 37 is Madame Tussauds Shanghai. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 2006. It is the second Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in Asia. Number 36 is Avenue of Stars. It is located in Hong Kong, China. It was built in year 2004. Modeled on Hollywood Walk of Fame, it honors celebrities of Hong Kong film industry. Number 35 is Westlake. It is located in Hangzhou, China. It is famous for temples, pagodas, gardens, and islands in the lake. Number 34 is Ocean Park, Hong Kong. It is located in Hong Kong, China. It was built in year 1977. It is the largest Hong Kong theme park and famous for its pandas. Number 33 is Beijing National Stadium. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 2003, also known as Bird's Nest. It hosted Summer Olympics and Summer Paralympics. Number 32 is Li River Cruise. It is located in Guilin, China. It is one of China's most scenic areas. Farmers influence traditional villages and hills. Number 31 is Huazi Village. It is located in Guiyang, China. It was built in year 1961. It is regarded as the most prosperous village in China. Number 30 is Lijiang Old Town. It is located in Yunnan, China. It was built in year 960 AD, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is famous for waterways, bridges, and trade center. Number 29 is Dragon Escalator. It is located in Beijing, China. It is the world's largest and longest outdoor escalator. Number 28 is Hanging Monastery. It is located in Datong, China. It was built in year 491 AD. It is famous for its location and the only existing temple of Buddhism, Taoism, and Confucianism. Number 27 is Canton Tower. It is located in Guangzhou, China. It was built in year 2005. It is the world's and Asia's second tallest tower and the tallest tower in China. Number 26 is Hong Kong Disneyland. It is located in Hong Kong, China. It was built in year 2005. It is the first Disney theme park in China and the finest Disney theme park in Asia. Number 25 is Giant Panda Breeding Center. It is located in Chengdu, China. It was built in year 1987. It is a giant panda sanctuary in China. Number 24 is Great Mosque of Xi'an. It is located in Xi'an, China. It was built in year 742 AD. It is the oldest and largest mosque in China. Number 23 is Tianjin Eye. It is located in Tianjin, China. It was built in year 2008. It is a Ferris wheel that stretches the river and looks like eye on a bridge. Number 22 is Five Great Avenues. It is located in Tianjin, China. It was built in year 1920. It is famous for European-style architectures, British, French, Italian, German, and Spanish. Number 21 is Tim Ho Wan Restaurant. It is located in Hong Kong, China. It was built in year 2009. It is known for being the world's most economical Michelin star restaurant. Number 20 is Victoria Harbor. It is located in Hong Kong, China. It was built in year 1971. It is famous for its stunning panoramic views and one of the world's busiest ports. Number 19 is Venetian Macau. It is located in Macau, China. It was built in year 2007. It is the largest hotel building in Asia and the 7th largest building in the world. Number 18 is the Lama Temple. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 1694. It is the biggest and most famous Tibetan Buddhist temple in Beijing. Number 17 is Nanjing Monument Park. It is located in Nanjing, China. It was built in year 1985. It is a famous historical museum in the city of Nanjing. Number 16 is Russian Street. It is located in Dalian, China. It was built in year 1905. Originally called Engineer Street, it is the oldest street in Dalian built by the Russians. Number 15 is Temple of Heaven. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 1420. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is also called Chantan Park in China. Number 14 is Nanjing Road. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 1851. It is considered as the Times Square of Shanghai and the main shopping streets of Shanghai. Number 13 is Mausoleum of Sun Yat-sen. It is located in Nanjing, China. It was built in year 1929. It is the mausoleum for commemorating the father of modern China. Number 12 is National Museum of China. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 2003. It is a museum of history, culture, and art in China. It is the world's third most visited museum. Number 11 is Tiananmen Square. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 1651. It is the largest public square in the world. Number 10 is the Summer Palace. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 1750. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is the largest and most well-preserved royal park in China. Number 9 is Pudong Skyline. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 2008. It is the financial and commercial center in China. Number 8 is Guizhou Mountain Forest Hotel. It is located in Guizhou, China. It is a famous vertical forest mountain hotel in the city of Guizhou. Number 7 is The Bund. It is located in Shanghai, China. It was built in year 1927. It is famous for the Grand Western style buildings and waterfront. Number 6 is Potala Palace. It is located in Tibet, China. It was built in year 1645. The UNESCO World Heritage Site, it serves as Fortress Winter Palace and Museum. Number 5 is Yangtze River. It is located in Shanghai, China. It is the world's third longest and Asia's longest river lake. Number 4 is Chinese New Year. It is located in China. It was created in 1500 BC, also known as Lunar New Year or Spring Festival. It is China's most important festival. Number 3 is Emperor Qin Shi Huang's Mausoleum Site Museum. It is located in Xi'an, China. It was built in year 246 BC. It is the most important archaeological find in China. Number 2 is Imperial Palace. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 1420. The UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is the largest palace in the world still in existence. At ang nangunguna po sa ating listahan ayon sa survey ay ang Great Wall of China. It is located in Beijing, China. It was built in year 221 BC. The UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is the most popular tourist spot and landmark of China.
A few moments later.
Administratively, China is divided into 23 provinces, 5 autonomous regions, Inner Mongolia, Guangxi, Tibet, Ningxia, Xinjiang, 4 municipalities, the Beijing, Tianjin, Shanghai, and Chongqing. And 2 special administrative regions, Hong Kong and Macau. Salamat po ng napakarami po sa inyo pong panonood. Kung inyo po ito pong nagustuhan, maaari po natin po itong i-share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!